But the one thing we hate about our dies, it gets crazy, right? Like eventually you're like, where's that thing that I was looking for? This is the best way to store all your dies. It's made for you by Stamps of Life because, again, as you heard from Stephanie, she wants to make sure that she's giving you the things that she wants herself, which is organization and accessibility to all your dies. This is magnetic sheets. These are incredible. If you don't already use these, you need to invest in these for sure. But you're getting a set of 10 here in this package. That's why I love that this HSN deal price is so incredible, because that's $2.79 each, which is such a steal.
Is a deal. Now, and the most important thing about this is when I designed these, in the past I've used these, and you know, those are just, if I hand that to you, those are gonna fall off. They just, oh, sorry, yeah, see, they go everywhere. Or there's other ones, you know, I mean,
better
you know,
and better.
And at the time, they were all we could get, right?
Yeah.
But now, this is a board. Look at that. It's like, it's not falling over. It's not doing anything. It's there. Look.
Yep.
Look, you guys.
There's the comparison. That's the other stuff on the market.
And look how many dies I have on here. So this set is coming up later today on HSN, so we're excited about that. But there you go. Now, why did I do it this way? It's white on this side, so when I store it, I can store my stamps. And look, I can read my stamps.
Oh my gosh, I didn't even think about that.
Because why would you want to try to read your stamps like this? What? Wait, what's that say? No, no, no. So the one side, and now you know which side is the magnet. Because sometimes you get the ones that are too, well, which side's magnet? I don't know. I don't know. Do you know? I don't know. Try to guess. So here we go. We can look at these. We'll have our stamps in there, and we will be able to see and read our stamps. Then we're going to use them because we can read them. And then we're going to know that the dies on the back coordinate with the stamp set that's with it.
I'm having too much fun over here.
I know, seriously.
This is such a good magnet.
I know, look at this. Woo, woo,
I can
woo.
shake it. I probably could throw it across the room.
And it would still, we should try that. I wonder if they would like that. No.
They're like,
can you imagine?
Please don't destroy the sets,
I know,
Emily.
right?
That's what they're saying. They're like, Emily, hold yourself together.
We got to keep them.
I am super excited about this because, again, the deal on this is incredible, because try buying this somewhere else for this kind of quality, this kind of strength, to be able to hold your dies like this, and then you're only spending a couple, literally under $3 for each of these. This is a really, how is this even possible?
I know, right? It's
I'm
amazing.
going to give them the item number real fast. So 898925 is the item number. Again, you need this in your life if you don't already have magnetic sheets to hold your dies, or if you've just been frustrated with what's out on the market right now.
Yes.
This is for you. Stamps of Life has literally changed the game. Love that.
I am really trying, let me tell you.
And on 3 Flex, you can get this all home for $9.32.
Wow.
$9
That's
and some
awesome.
change. That's awesome.
Yeah, look at
but
that.
Again, I love, can you show them the stamps again?
Yes,
and how you can see that?
And that's exactly why I designed this, because I want you to be able to read your stamps when you have them there. Look at that. So now you can read them. You couldn't read them. Whoops. Oh, see, that one flew off of the other magnet. Look how much harder that is to read when you have it on the black. But if you have, all the dies are falling off that one. If you have it
Don't worry,
on the
I got
white,
it on yours.
there we go. If we have it on the white, we can read it. And then the dies that match are just on the other side. Now, this is an A2 card base. So an A2 card base is gonna fit on these magnets, my friends. You're not like trying to put a whole A2 card base on this magnet. Oh, they keep falling off
Off
that
that other one, I tell you.
But there we go, an A2 card base. I added all the extra dies in there. I could even add all these other dies that are gonna be on there. But look at that. I know, you can fit a lot on there. It's A2 in size, so it fits a whole bunch.
That's
so
pretty
it's really
awesome.
Great. And again, it does not
I keep
bend.
grabbing the ones that
Look
keep
at
falling off and putting it on yours.
Yeah, I know, it's better. Yeah, there we go.
This has been awesome.
Thank you.
This has been a really good time. But of course, as all things,
I know, it must
all
come to an
good things must come to an end. Here, I'll give you a hug.
Oh,
You're
thank
back again
you.
today, yes?
I am, 7 p.m.
7 p.m.
Yes,
All right.
for lots more.
Crafting day. I love it.
Have
Okay.
fun.